Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning dear students. Today we are going to discuss about excretory products and their elimination from chapter 19 CBSE syllabus class 11. Children, now let us discuss about excretory products and their mode of excretion. Amino acids. Amino acids are the end products of protein digestion, absorption in the blood from small intestine. Certain vertebrates like some molluscs and some echinoderms excrete excess amino acids as such, and this is called ammonotelic excretion or aminotelism. Children, now let us discuss about ammonia. Ammonia is the first metabolic waste of protein metabolism. In most animals, excess amino acids are deaminated, that is, degraded into their keto and ammonia groups. The keto groups are used in catabolism for producing ATP, whereas ammonia is excreted as such or in other forms. Children, now let us discuss about what is ammonotelism. The process of excreting ammonia NH3 directly in the surrounding environment as a process of waste excretion by an organism is called ammonotelism. This process occurs through diffusion across the body surface or gills by passing the need for complex metabolic pathways to convert ammonia into less toxic forms. Ammonotelism requires animals to constantly excrete a large amount of water to maintain proper internal ammonia levels, which may be challenging in terrestrial habitats with limited water availability. Ammonia is highly toxic and highly soluble in water. Its excretion as such therefore requires a large amount of water. That is why most of the aquatic arthropods, bony and freshwater fishes, amphibians, tadpoles, turtles, etc. excrete ammonia. This type of excretion is called ammonotelic excretion or ammonotelism. Hence they are either urotelic or uricotelic. Children, now let us discuss about what is excretion. Excretion is the process by which living organisms remove waste products from their bodies to maintain internal balance. It is essential for removing harmful substance and excess material, ensuring proper functioning of the body. There are different types of excretory systems in animals, including ammonotelism, urotelism, and uricotelism, which involve the excretion of ammonia, urea, and uric acid respectively. This process helps regulate the concentration of nitrogenous waste and maintain osmotic balance within the body. Children, now let us discuss about ammonotelism animals. Ammonotelism animals typically live in aquatic environments where ammonia can be easily diluted and removed. These aquatic animals have specialized structures like gills or diffusion across their body surface to eliminate ammonia. Ammonotelism is advantageous in water-rich environments but requires a large amount of water for effective waste removal. Children, now let us discuss about mechanism of ammonotelism. The ammonotelism is the process by which nitrogenous waste, mostly proteins and amino acids, are transformed into ammonia by the process of deamination. Ammonia, NH3 and other keto acids that are produced when proteins are metabolized in amino groups from amino acids are removed by the process is known as deamination, which takes place in the liver or other specialized cells of the organism. After being released, the ammonia is subsequently carried to the gills or other excretory organs where it is finally discharged into the water body. Ammonia is highly soluble in water and can permeate through biological membranes. As a result, once discharged in the external environment, it gets diluted by the water, reducing its harmful effects. Hence, in order to eliminate ammonia, ammonotelic organisms need enormous water. Insufficient aqueous medium can cause hazardous ammonia levels to build up, which may cause cellular damage and eventually death of organism in the water body. Children, now let us discuss about advantages of ammonotelism. The advantages of ammonotelism are effective waste elimination, which means ammonia is metabolized quickly and uses little energy, and it does not require specialized organs. Next, energy conservation. Use a little energy to metabolism and is excreted rapidly. Water conservation. Since concentrated urine produced is not required, aquatic habits lose less amount of water. Children, now let us discuss about the disadvantages of ammonotelism. The disadvantages of ammonotelism are toxicity. Ammonia is toxic to the cells, causing cell neurosis. And now let us come to pH imbalance. Since ammonia is a base, it can use alkalosis. Water dependency. The organisms require water to dispose of their waste, thus limiting habitat. Children, now let us look into the ammonotelism examples. Ammonotelism is found in many different taxa, especially in aquatic ecosystem. A few examples are given below. Now let us come to the taxonomic group fishes, examples of catfish and goldfish. Come to amphibians, examples of amphibians are salamander and frogs comes under this ammonotelism. Then crustaceans, molluscs, examples are shrimp and squid. Then aquatic invertebrates, hydra and planaria are comes under the examples of ammonotelism. Children, let us discuss the difference between ammonotelism and urotelism. The main key difference between the ammonotelism and urotelisms are given in the table below. Come to the excretory product of ammonotelism is ammonia and urotelism is urea. Organs comes under this ammonotelism are aquatic organisms and a few terrestrial organisms in moist or damp areas. Come to the urotelism are terrestrial organisms are involved in urotelism, primarily mammals. Next, come to the medium of secretion in ammonotelism is primarily water excreted through diffusion, and come to the medium of excretion in urotelism is urine excreted through specialized organs, example kidneys. Now next come to the energy utilization in ammonotelism are low energy is required for excretion comparatively. Then looks into urotelism, energy utilization requires higher for synthesis and excretion. Then come to the toxicity. Highly toxic and hence it requires water for dilution in ammonotelism, and come to urotelism. Toxicity requires less and can be stored and released when requires. Water loss in ammonotelism may lead to significant water loss, and in come to urotelism it comes under limited water loss. Organs helped in ammonotelism mainly gills helps to excretion. When it comes to urotelism, kidneys are responsible for the excretion. Examples already we discussed that fishes, aquatic invertebrates and few terrestrial animals comes under the ammonotelism, and comes to the urotelism, mammals, amphibians and some reptiles comes under this category. Now let us discuss the conclusion of ammonotelism. Ammonotelism is a critical waste disposal mechanism used by many aquatic organisms. They may efficiently eliminate nitrogenous waste material by releasing ammonia in the surrounding water. While ammonotelism has advantages such as energy conservation and efficiency, it also has water reliance and toxicity regulation at disadvantages. Understanding the mechanism and significance of ammonotelism sheds light on adaptation and regulation biological process in living organisms.